Hello everyone, Kara here from DEK Designs. So today I am back with a video to reveal the May mystery kit. So I am super excited about this. I absolutely am in love with it and cannot wait to show you. But first I really want to show this off. So for this order, my clip that came with my order is a heart. And Plan with Hart, and well, Hart 30 just so happens to be my name when it comes to any sort of social media. So I am absolutely in love with this and cannot wait to use it. It's been hard not using it just in the day that I've had it here. So this video is going to be the Hump Day Happy Mail kit, which was when it was the Mermaid kit. So here it is. So beautiful. So this is done in silver foil and it's just lovely, and I am super excited to use my foil headers for this because I feel like it's really gonna make it pop. So I just love this. And then here's the half and quarter boxes, super shiny stars, and checklist boxes. And I just love these washi strips. Isn't that beautiful? It's so gorgeous. So that's the Mermaid kit. And then here is our website, dekdesigns.com, and Hart 30 will save you 30% off of a purchase of $15 or more. And here is the May mystery kit. I absolutely love the emerald green. It is so beautiful. And the lemons, it's just gorgeous. And our half and quarter boxes with the flags. And checklist boxes. I love green, so I'm super excited. It's just so pretty. I love how the colors go together. And here's our headers. And foil icons. So pretty. And the deco sheet. And I'm really excited because I have already planned to use these in my bujo when I got them yesterday. So that is what I have for you for this particular video. So here's the May mystery kit and the Mermaid kit. So you can find the Mermaid kit, not the May mystery kit yet. Maybe Dawn will post it at dekdesigns.com. And with every order, you get a super cute paper clip. In this case, I'm going to be bedazzled around with a heart because it goes with everything. And I love it. So thank you, Peggy. And here is my code if you want to save 30% off a purchase of $15 or more. All right, thank you so much for watching and happy planning.